Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. What a volatile market. SGX Nifty was down about 80-90 points, but even since yesterday I've been tweeting Infosys alone will wipe out more than 100 points, but SGX Nifty was indicating only 80-90 points. So as expected, Infosys fell more than 10% and Nifty fell drastically. But in pre-market, always they try to cheat us. And pre-market closed with more than 500 point gap up in Bank Nifty and Nifty nearly 100 point. And SGX Nifty indicating 80-90 point down and Infosys ADR fell 10%, that is indicating more than 100 point minus. But here Nifty was showing plus and Bank Nifty was 500 plus. Before the HDFC Bank result, actually I tweeted Monday Infosys will open at 52-week low and HDFC Bank will open at 52-week high. So just in order to make my statement true, HDFC Bank actually opened at 52-week high. Then after that it fell and it fell drastically. The results came from HDFC Bank and except HDFC Bank, all other banks started moving higher. And particularly the PSU Bank Index. PSU Bank Index is the best performer today, more than 3% up. We are down today but not out. Why? Because number one, 90% of the fall is because of IT stocks. And look at index level. Today, Nifty is down by 121 points. But HDFC Bank, HDFC and Infosys, these three stocks alone contributed for 155 points on the downside. That means if not for these three stocks, Nifty would have closed in green. And today only the Nifty closed in red. But you look at all other indices, mid cap, small cap, the broader market has actually done very well. And even the global cues were also very good. So European markets were higher slightly, US futures were slightly higher. So there was no negativity. So it's only the results reaction, HDFC Bank and Infosys. So what I did today, I thought Infosys will fall by 10%, but it fell 11-12%. Then I thought, if Infosys comes below 1200, I am prepared to take delivery. So I sold put option at 1200. And then I sold it around 18 rupees. Then later in the day it came to 8 rupees, so I just booked the profit. So that was the kind of move in Infosys. And Infosys, people are not expecting a big fall from here. That's why the next month options premiums were not really very good. And this month option premium were very good. That's because, the people who sold earlier yesterday, they are getting out with a stop loss in panic. That's why the premium was high. That to end of the day, it came down. So today, it's all mainly because of Infosys and HDFC Bank. And other IT stocks, seen collateral damage. So TCS also fell 3-4%. But most of the stocks have recovered towards the end. Despite the fall in IT stocks and HDFC twins, the overall market sentiment is still good. So that's why I put the thumbnail, we are down but not out. And luckily, so we have only about 8 more trading sessions. So the time value has helped us to minimize the damage. So if this kind of bigger move comes closer to the expiry, the damage would have been bigger. The global cues are still good and it's no wonder 10 consecutive trading sessions FIIs were net buyers. So today they have sold, but they have sold for 533 crores. I think considering the last 10 consecutive days of buying, that 533 crore is not a big deal actually. And of course, as and when this kind of opportunity comes, the domestic institutions will be stepping in. So they have bought for 270 crores. So I don't know how much of this 270 crore has gone to IT stocks. So remember, domestic institutions are always value buyers and they buy when the markets are trading at a very attractive level. I think Infosys now it has come to close to 20 PE ratio, and that is considered to be a good price for Infosys. Anyway, these IT stocks are not going to rally very soon for another 1 to 2 quarters. So there will be some problem. So you will always get some better opportunities, but it makes sense to sell a put option. If it comes below that price, it's better you can consider taking the delivery if you have the ability to do so. Looking at the open interest, as I told you already, so it is 17,500 to 18,100, or to be on the safe side, 17,400 to 18,200. So that is going to be the range for next 2 weeks. And now, despite bad results, markets are doing well. So that shows the resilience of the market. And today, one Infosys was at the bottom of the Nifty 50, and another I, that is ITC, is at the top. ITC has almost doubled in last 1 year. So that is something really very, very surprising. So that is how the markets behave. You will never be able to predict the market. So that's why it's better not to time the market. So somewhere you start investing through SIP. There is nothing much to discuss until Friday. As I told you earlier, markets are likely to consolidate, and as I told you, that's going to be good for the option sellers. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.